Gang. YouTube, we already know what we're doing today. Today we got Raw Cashh K-Play. I don't know where they're in the States. Because what? The States mad. Yeah, man, gang. Yeah, Raw Cashh K-Play. You don't know, hit the like and subscribe button. You don't know, help your boy hold up your stress. Raw Cashh is on a damn roll. I must admit, if I can't agree, I don't know something. He must have bad mind or something, but he's been finding them. And I like the trajectory he's on. Keep finding these bangers, Raw Cashh, because we here for them. You know what I mean? As again, we're here for the bangers, man. So keep finding them, man. I check out the one of them K-Play. Let's do it, dog. That one. Let's get it. You know how me feel about intros already, nigga. That's a double your intro. Double your intro so far, Raw Cashh. Come on, you on a good roll. Let's get it.
Max, States.
Anyone them flip up, 1,000 rifle with no be shot. When he can them turn on them on the get up. How them again? Anywhere them flip up.
Yes, anyway.
1,000 rifle with no be shot.
1,000?
When he can them turn on them on the get up.
Nobody?
States.
Nobody?
States left the place bloody like pussy where red. Shot your friend for your TikTok live where you beg. No way no far from gas in the car who no dead. 9 to no place you.
That is that. Raw Cashh. You couldn't find nothing else if you describe the way you deal with the scene. That is the only description you could find. That is the only description you could find, me G. Oh gashish. But go on do. Cowboy if you dead.
When he can them turn on them and get up.
Nobody.
States. 50. States left the place bloody like pussy where red. Shot your friend for your TikTok live where you beg. No way no far from gas in the car who no dead. 9 to.
Beg you must kill a friend for TikTok live for where you beg. Come on.
Your TikTok live where you beg. No way no far from gas in the car who no dead. 9 to no place you want be a fish head. Send a 16 figure bust on no head. My dog vomit up your camera full up your bed. Still I shot you when you're dead pussy you murder them next.
When some dog vomit up your puke. You can't vomit in the same thing. You must have me dog vomit up your puke. Wow.
Fish head. Send a 16 figure bust on no head. My dog vomit up your camera full up your bed. Still I shot you when you're dead pussy you murder them next. Not just boy on the phone better watch on no text. Clap them dirty and the clip them see true. Win a fist fight with a tie. Give them a player with a laser rifle. Bloody up the place when states them drive through.
Come on, no man. I'm telling you, this nigga finding them, man. Raw Cashh. Raw Cashh. Come true now, man. Come here.
A player with a laser rifle. Bloody up the place when states them drive through. Them dirty and the clip them see true. Win a fist fight with a tie. Give them a player with a laser rifle. Bloody up the place when states them drive through. If you kill them, we just apply.
Man said the black dirty and the clip them see true. When he said the black dirty and the clip see true, come true.
Bloody up the place when states them drive through. If you kill them, we just up like school youth in a juta. Them a look for pro box, but me dep on a scooter. Easy squeeze up barefoot like motor. Mopstick, broom for sweep up the place. Whole shoes, new shoes.
Kill them, job out just up in a like school in a uniform on a juta. Things say me on a scooter.
Pro box, but me dep on a scooter.
Oh, what a man. Nice program run, but you enough man yard man check them play enough time.
Here's a rifle. Bloody up the place when states them drive through. If you kill them, we just up like school youth in a juta. Them a look for pro box, but me dep on a scooter. Easy squeeze up barefoot like motor. Mopstick, broom for sweep up the place. Whole shoes, new shoes, portion of lace. Caliph nickel.
Oh, clean, mopstick, broomstick, they have to sweep up your place. Or a portion of lace. Me like them etify there.
Put like motor, mopstick, broom for sweep up the place. Whole shoes, new shoes, portion of lace. Caliph nickel. A history plate, bright light.
Old shoes, new shoes, a portion of lace, brother. I love that line.
Place. Whole shoes, new shoes, portion of lace. Caliph nickel. A history plate, bright light, but a body like craving here. Any boy send check, better try them dirty and the clip them see true. Win a fist fight with the times. Give them a player with a laser rifle. Bloody up the place when stairs them drive through. Them dirty and the clip them see through.
Yes, man. Yes, man.
Fist fight with the times. Give them a player with a laser rifle. Bloody up the place when stairs them drive through. See them no bother tan. Face boom off close casket for a boy. Put my head in a drum like bass but with a ball. Jail lane me a rifle the clip them have it all.
Come in now, man.
Hot up the place, this is a blast of a pose. Them couldn't find the body, I just piece and nose. Kill my friend.
Say, I had to be placed with some black off a pause.
For the clip them have it all. Hot up the place, this is a blast of a pose. Them couldn't find the body, I just piece and nose. Kill my friend, I'm get where I'm catch you no close. Top 87 for selfie, them party and the clip them.
The man say, get friend and get to and me catch you no clothes. You get that? You get that? Because you can't catch you walk out, you get you shot. You see, you say, so me can't catch you, me catch you clothes. You see, you give friend get to me catch you clothes. You see, you say, you need me catch you shot. Because you walk out. Yeah, but hey, where are Cash? Go at you.
Hot up the place, this is a blast of a pose. Them couldn't find the body, I just piece and nose. Kill my friend and get where I'm catch you no close. Top 87 for selfie, them party and the clip them see true. Win a fist fight with the times. Give them a player with a laser rifle. Bloody up the place when stairs them drive through. Them dirty and the clip them see true. Win a fist fight with the times. Give them a player with a laser rifle. Bloody up the place when stairs them drive through. Yeah, man, state. Man, hold some man and pussy hole pan the nozzle and boom off on the head off on nobody, eh? Feel like blood clot states thing a play thing.
Man, we tool them, bombard them.
Boom off on the head off on nobody, eh? Feel like blood clot states thing a play thing. Rifle bands in a
bombard Glock. This look like a G3. Or a G2 that one there over there, so this is alright.
Hey, chat for me enemy them man, the spelling.
Easy.
No boy, states.
Oh yeah, that easy so. 1, 2. That's it. Love it. Love it. Raw Cash. K-Play. K-Play, I know play. Yeah. I want to say K-Play, I know Kidna Garden. You see me, I said? Pre-care. I don't know, pre-care. Yeah, man, Raw Cash, the one name K-Play, big up at themself, Raw Cash. Like I said, this nigga is on a roll. Cannot deny that shit. When I come to the scamming, gal tune, or gun tune, Raw Cash has been on a roll. I don't know if you got this dice. You see, your dog is about putting up on a roll. But you know, so big up yourself, Raw Cash. Keep doing your thing, gang. You know what I'm saying? You've definitely shown growth. Since the past year and change we've been listening to Raw Cash, he's evolved immensely. Just go look on the first tune them will react from Raw Cash. And look how the man evolved from there, bro. Yeah, man, he put in that work, man. Raw Cash is taking his craft seriously. I like that shit. He's making moves. The videos are, he's dropping his bangers. The songs are bangers. Yo, big up yourself, Raw Cash. Go on, man. You have a place in this, man. Keep going, dog. You know, you don't know if far to take this. You know what I'm saying? Well, yeah, man, gang. Till next time, take care of yourself. Let me know what your favorite part was. Beats, lyrics, melody, all that good stuff. Show the love. If you like, you can show the artist some love and support. Let him know outside the dance and uno. You see me? Yeah, man. Yeah, and drop a request so you can get your shout out. All that good stuff. We're back, holding a vibe. Yeah, it's a fun time. You know what I'm saying? So Raw Cash K-Play. You see me? I say, gang. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.